So basically, first what we did is we went off and started with great amazingness of salt. It's 9 grams to be specific. Now we're just putting in 50 grams of starter. Oh, that is 61. Oh my God. Adding 375 grams of water to our starter and salt mixture. Like 1, 2, 3, and done. Now we are taking 500 grams of white flour. And then we're gonna add that to our water starter salt mixture right over there. Yeah, right there. Here. Okay. 70 years, exactly.
So also remember
now we're gonna add this to this, this flour, the white flour.
They've already had multiple lifetimes of fun together.
I know, I like how when someone, I forgot who was giving Krista a boon, and it's like that I'll be with my friend forever.
Okay, so now we're gonna slowly fold the water mixture over on top.
When they was like fighting and stuff,
flour. And now we're gonna see when it's done. Oh my God! Look, it's all
30 grams of flour.
30 grams of warm water. I'm feeding the starter.
And what do you do?
And you need to put 30 grams of flour and 30 grams of warm water.
Brianna, if you wouldn't have been like totally plumping out, we would.
And
Yeah. If you add, it doesn't taste good all then.
add it, and
when it's not.
Yeah, it does not taste good when it's not cooked. Like
you have to get it to 60 grams total.
What kind of health benefits does eggplant have?
I'm not sure.
Man, you're cooking and you don't even know.
I don't cook eggplant that often. I only ask for it because Suter, one of his favorite vegetables of all time is eggplant.
I didn't really think about eggplant, and so
It's too much.
Okay, so after the sourdough is like nicely kneaded, then you're gonna let it rest with a damp towel over it, and you're gonna let it rest for about an hour. And by the time, and after an hour, you turn it for 40 seconds, and then you let it raise for 8 hours. And then after that, you turn it twice, and you let it stay in the refrigerator for an hour, and then you bake it.
And then after that,
So
you
this
stop
is
being
the
a nonsense my body and start being faithful and devotional.